Monthly passive income, $512 in 43 days. So for today, I added 2 new trades that are medium risk. So right now I'm experimenting with some index funds because index funds are really diversified and it is actually good for low balance portfolios because you get to invest in a lot of different stocks with a very small amount of money. So it actually covers the diversification risk. So right now here you will see that my first position is selling SPXL, which is a leverage index fund, for January 21st, 2022. The put strike is 110. So this is how I manage my risk, and the premium earned is $325. So this one I'm intending to hold till the end. I'm not going to exit early, even if it reaches 90% profit. So I'm not applying the 90% rule here. And then this will give me approximately 2.95% return for 43 days, and the capital use is 13,700. So the roughly prorated annualized return will be 25%. So this is actually below the 30% mark, but I'm being conservative here so that I'm not using that high of a strike. So then I think this is okay given I'm investing in an index fund. Now the second position I take is actually a long-term position. So this is actually a January 2023 put. So I'm selling a year-long put using a strike of 115. So this one obviously will have more volatility because of the long duration. So the premium earned here will be 2,255. So this number actually needs to be divided by 12. So which is approximately $188 per month. So I actually just took it and divided by 12, but if I want to be a little bit more accurate, I think it's closer to 13 months. So if I take this divided by 13, that's actually 173 or so. But this is just a rough calculation, and the return is 19% for 1 year and 1 month. So this is still a pretty reasonable return given that it is a long-term position and you do less work here. So I'm going to be experimenting with these two and see how it plays out. But I have a pretty good idea of what's going to happen. So here are the 2 new positions. So here you can see the annualized return is actually between the 24% to 17% range. So this is the calculation. So that is pretty good. And if I look at the average return here, it's actually 21%. And right now I'm actually using some margin. So then the margin level is 132%, which is still below my desired margin level. So if you're interested in getting this tracking sheet, it is in the description below, so you can grab it afterwards. So yeah, that's that. And I think so far I am scaling up the account. I added more money in, so right now it's at $42,000 or whatnot, and the net asset value is around $38,000 or whatnot. So I think we'll see how the time value decay goes, and I'll update you with the next trade.